Good afternoon, dear students. Today we'll be studying about the topic called as future of banking. So today we know the bank is performing a number of services. They are having so many functions and services. So in future, how banking will be, or what type of facilities banks are planning to provide. So that we are going to see in today's class. The future of banking is incomplete with the help of smartphones, and the smartphones have contributed a lot for the banking. Today we can see that there are so many apps available, starting from e-passbook, starting from the checking your balance, right, doing all banking activities, facilities with the help of your smartphone. Now, consumer banking is constantly in motion. If you see, there is a digital revolution worldwide. There is a full revolution towards the smartphone contribution, and mobile banking has become an instrument in increasing reach for banks. Now mobile bank or mobile is not just a smartphone, it has become a branch of a bank. Everybody has account, and if they have the mobile application in that, and if they have the different application, third party application also, or mobile application also, that particular mobile becomes a bank. So there they can do all the banking transactions whichever they want. So this is one important contribution, and in future the use of this is going to increase like anything, right? The smartphone contribution to the people's life and to banks also will increase in n number of ways. Then the second important future in the banks we can see is the ATM and branch locator. So some banks have started this, and in some places is still pending. So ATM and branch locator is that your bank, when they have their own apps, you can open the branch locator and you can point at any direction if you want, and then that direction will show you the near ATM branch, or the ATM available at the near place, and it will give you a direction also. So this is also one of the important services. Some banks are using this, and some banks are still to apply these services. So in future you will find that everybody is going to use this future branch or ATM branch locator in their mobile phones also. Then similarly, book appointment at a bank branch. Now to meet a manager today, you don't have to take an appointment, and sometimes you have to stand in a queue because so many peoples will be there standing at the queue. They will be having so many queries. But in future the banks are going to start an appointment method, where in your app or in website you can book an appointment, right? You can schedule your meeting, and then after scheduling your meeting you can attend and you can meet the bank manager, and you can take the help of the bank manager also. So this is also a service where some banks are going to adopt it, and in future you will find that this book appointment at a bank branch is going to start. Then similarly, customer acquisition comma loyalty and marketing, where customer acquisition and loyalty means at a point where you want to go and point the phone at a brochure or a billboard, directly a payment will be made. As soon as the user captures the image using smartphone, the user will be able to see the relevant information, right? So see, suppose you went to some branch of a bank, or some important financial information you require, right? Here you just take a pic of it. That particular bank will provide you all information related to it, and here user will be able to avail all offers displayed at the app. So app will display you all the offers, right? So only is that in the ATM corner or in some place, near some billboard or brochure, you'll find some information there. So only thing is that you have to take a capture an image of it in the app. Once you capture the image, you'll get all the related information about it in a different places. Then location based merchant office. So here you can get, with the help of a bank, banks are also trying to do this, that uh, you can get all the directions related to the property, related to the loan, related to other some areas, right? Like Google is providing you. Similarly, medical is there, or other facilities are there, the merchant offers are there, bank is going to provide you in their apps. So this is also the service in future you will find it. Similarly, insurance, bank have already started the insurance, but tomorrow we'll find that customers contacts car dealer to buy a car and capture a snap of the actual car or a digital watermark, then code on the loan brochure available at the car dealers. The app will show the insurance details similarly, right? So what will happen is that once you want to buy the car, there suppose you bought a car, second hand car or some car, on that some on that some brochure is there. If you just scan that brochure, on that brochure, that barcode, then immediately what happens is that it will tell you detailed information. The user will be able to buy the insurance from the app, or he will she will get connected with sales executive directly, right? That means when even if you go to showroom to buy a car, there just a small barcode will be there, right? If you open the app of your bank and then scan that barcode, immediately the message will reach to the insurance office. Then they will contact you and they will show you different offers available for the car insurance or bike insurance, or even if some other type of insurance you are doing, you'll get so many offers, and then you can select any one of it, and you can avail the facilities of insurance. Then check credit debit card details. This means at your phone, you can avail the facility of credit card or debit card. This app conveys data to the server and responds banks with details, and then get debit card and debit card balances, view last transactions, and spend location, categories, spending over week period of time, alert for due payment, and makes various things for you. Only thing is that you can scan your debit card or a credit card and you can send it to the bank, and in return they will send you the last transactions what you have done. They will send you various things, where spending you have done for the last week, and what are the due payments pending for this coming month. All things will be shown by the bank. Then account statement, right? See, now account statement is not like old where we go to bank and print our passbooks. In future you'll find that account statement will be like point we will just have to point our phone on account id written anywhere in the bank, right? Or if you just scan your account id, immediately you will get all account statements. You have to enter your account number, scan the account id, you will get all the account details. The app will show you your account related informations like your deposits, your withdrawals, your balance, various other information. For making fund transfer or transactions, the user need to log in. But here in account statement, you can't do fund transfer or payments. You have to log in for it. But only to see your balances, your deposit withdrawal, you can use that account statement also. Then fingerprint scanner is also the banks are also going to make now, where the for the privacy purpose, security purpose, apart from the codes, right? Like the every bank has some UPI ID or code, right? Some digit code. Now, apart from that, the banks are also going to make the fingerprint scanner, like for your mobile phone, as fingerprint scanner is there. Similarly, fingerprint scanner will be made for the banks in future. Now the bank is going to secure your banking account also, right? As with the help of fingerprint scanner, now you don't need to remember the different things, like if you forget your account number, right? If you forget your passwords, just you scan with the help of your finger. OTP will be generated and it will be sent to your mobile phone number. Enter that OTP, and then you can just send it to the bank and you can get the desired amount of opening information. Then loan is also very easy, and in future it will be very easy again. just by using one fingertip or finger scanner by fingerprint, then you can get the desired amount of facilities available under loan. What are the different types of loan you can see, insurance you can see, and you can apply. The thing is that bank will verify your assets. After that, they will provide you the loan.